the drawings. Hello little friends, Ava here. Let's draw this cute unicorn birthday cake with me today. Don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Let's start our contour by the pointy ear line that adorns our cake. We continue the line to the side of the layers of our cute unicorn cake. Very well. Now we go around the entire base of our cake, step by step. Birthday cakes are known for their delicious toppings and garnishes. They are a special part of the celebrations, bringing joy and flavor to celebrate special moments. Yes, all right. To finish the contour, we draw the line of your other pointed ear. That was perfect. Let's do the details of our cake, starting with the ear lines. Now, for the magic part, let's add a small cone-shaped horn as a garnish on top of our cake. We go around the details of our cute unicorn's mane. We go around the other ear. That's good! Our cake is already starting to appear. To finish our unicorn cake design, we contoured the hearts and the flower we used to decorate the base of our cake. Well done! That's good! In the other layer, we draw the line of the mouth of our cake. Finally, we draw his two large and bright eyes. Step by step, very slowly. This is getting very good. Wow! We have finished all the outline of our cute birthday unicorn cake. It was beautiful. If you are enjoying our drawing so far, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new drawing. That's great! Now let's paint. I have already separated the 5 colors that we will use to paint our cute unicorn cake. To begin our painting, we will use the blue color to paint a part of the horn that adorns our fluffy cake. Very well! Let's use the green color to paint another part of the ornament of our cake. Very well! Now we will use the yellow color to paint the base of the horn. We will also paint the core of the flower that adorns the bottom layer of our cute cake. Yes, all right. We will use the light pink color to paint the inside of the ears and the fringe that adorns our beautiful cake. Very well. Still in light pink color, we will also paint the base layer of our cake. It's getting very good. To finish our painting, we will use strong pink color to paint all the details of our cake. We start with the ears and bangs of our cute unicorn cake. That's good! Still in very strong pink color, we will paint the hearts that decorate the layer of the base of our cake. We will also paint all the flower petals that decorate the base of the cake. That's great! Our unicorn cake was beautiful. Wow! Our cute unicorn cake design is complete. Friends, the design of our cute unicorn cake was wonderful. Drawing and painting with me was a really cool and fun way to learn. Congratulations! The drawing of the cake was amazing. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Now you can leave a like in this video, and subscribe so you do not miss any new drawing. I will always bring new drawings here. A super Ava kiss and see you soon.